Can you help me with something? I'm facing difficulty in understanding one of the topics of English grammar.
Sure, Janvi. What do you need help with?
I found some words that sound the same but have different meanings. They're confusing.
Oh, these are called homophones.
What are homophones?
Some words may have different spelling and meaning but have the same pronunciation. These words are often confusing. For example, sun. Sun. Sun is the big, bright star in the sky that gives us light and warmth. Sun is a male child. Even though they sound the same, their meanings are completely different.
I have understood.
For example, tail. Tail. I.
Wow! Homophones are still tricky, but they make more sense now.
Just remember, even though they sound the same, the context will usually help you figure out which word is the right one to use.
I'll try to remember it.
Janvi, can you tell me some words we use in our daily life?
Well, breakfast, lunch, dinner, sun, stars, moon, and sky are some of the words that we use in our daily lives.
Great, Janvi. There are lots of other words also that we use in our daily life. For example, summer, winter, autumn, spring, rainy season, village, city, etc.
Oh, I see.
Do you know, Janvi, that some letters in the English language remain silent while pronouncing them?
Can you please give me some examples?
Sure, Janvi, like the letter B in climb and lamb.
Oh, I see.
Here are more examples. Comb, palm, harm, chalk, doubt, no, wrong, to, right, should, knee, could.
Oh, I didn't know it, Dad. Thanks.
Do you know about opposite words?
Yes, my teacher taught me about opposite words.
So, tell me, what are opposite words?
The opposite of someone or something is the contrast of that thing. For example, above, below, late, early, clean, dirty, come, go, difficult, easy, far, near, fat, thin.
Great, my dear.
Thanks.
You're welcome, Janvi. Keep learning and asking questions.